But let's finish our discussion here with drones. I know we were kind of talking about that with Cooler. But we had a big piece of news here today, and it was a Wall Street Journal article. It was behind a paywall, but it basically was saying that the Trump administration is negotiating funding deals with several U.S. drone companies. The public one mentioned by name is UMAC, UMAC. I've got it on the screen here, and you can see, I mean, this stock is up 58.9% right now on the back of that. There was also a company in this Wall Street Journal article mentioned Neros. It's not public yet. But the thought here, very much like the SpaceX halo effect, is that because of what this was talking about, they were talking about buying 1 million drones. They want to reshore the production of drones here as a national security interest. There's going to be a lot of funding for many companies. So although UMAC is the big winner here as it was listed by name, there are other drone companies that are clearly popping today and might have more news coming down the road. And I think that's where we want to look here. I mean, if you want to trade this, something that's up 60%, I'll let you figure out how to handle the risk there. If you already had it, congratulations. This is a great time to at least book some of the gains. But there are some other stocks that are being affected by this. Next one here is going to be Ondas. And this is a favorite of mine. I've owned this for a long time. Full disclosure, I still have some. I plan on keeping, it's been such a good winner for me. I plan on keeping quite a bit forever, as long as the story continues to materialize. Big move here today. And I think the big thing here with Ondas is we cleared out this 1165-ish to 12 area that has really kind of failed all or foiled all of the breakout attempts that Ondas has done before. Can it hold? Can it go challenge some of those recent highs? We'll see. I like this one. I'm already in this one. I actually trimmed some calls that I had for this into September this year. But this one is clearly benefiting from this. Another favorite for social media out there and FinTwit is going to be RCAT. This one's up 31%. This also looks like it's benefiting. Volume stick on this is huge. There are others in this. AVEX. This was a recent IPO. This benefited here today. It looks like this is going to go towards its highs. Swarmer was another recent IPO. Very, very strong. It also benefiting here today. Here's a look at that chart, ticker SWMR. I'll throw the tickers for all of these on the video when we get that process there. And then there are some others, some smaller ones that you should take a look at. Keep them on your radar. Xena would be one of them here. This is coming back. We'll see if Xenatech can get rolling. And then also you talked about Cooler earlier. Cooler has a little bit of a drone angle. So if these drones proliferate and there's a lot more of them being built, you're going to see kind of that rising tide there. The other thing is,
and real quick,
go ahead.
just because we're back on that Cooler with which is a battery play. Another one that is also interesting to me that is a big on batteries for drones. Amprius Technologies, ticker AMPX. That was also affected here today.
Yeah, absolutely. This stock up 25.7%. This going for the $23 highs that it put in not long ago. That's what I mean. This is not even just a pure drone play. This is a battery part of the drone theme. And this is what I want you folks to think about. There's going to be a lot of opportunity in this area. If you have a stock that you think might fit into this, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let us know what you're looking at, what stocks you like in the drone industry, and all of that. But really good stuff. Just want to finish off with this here. It's also worth mentioning, keeping an eye on some of the other drone players. AV, this was considered best in breed for a long time. Double top up right around 417-ish down there. It's really kind of come back in quite a bit now. It's popping here today, up almost 20%. This is going to be a much larger cap one. And then Kratos Defense. This is ticker KTOS. Today, a big pop again, like the entire theme that we're talking about. This actually took it right to the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average right there at 66.52. We're currently at 66 right now on Kratos. Maybe this can get rolling if it crosses its 50 as well. So, all right, Joe, really good breakdown here today. Appreciate it. Look forward to doing this with some more stock ideas as we have them. Again, folks, any of our videos, comment what you're trading, what you like, what you're looking at. We'll try and incorporate that into some of our videos. Joe, it's been a wild one, and it's not over yet. It's not over yet.
Buckle up.
Buckle up indeed. Have a good one. We'll catch you next time.